Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we receive here the latest fitness tracker from Huawei, the Huawei Band 11. And on this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of its design, the specs, and the UI. So if you are interested to know more about this wearable, especially the design and specifications, watch this video. And again, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the new Huawei Band 11. We will have the unboxing review of its design, the specifications, and the UI. So let's start. So this is the packaging of our Huawei Band 11. Still the same style, even the dimension of the box is the same with the Huawei Band 10. As you can see here, it's even the same with our Huawei Band 9. So here we have a preview of the wearable. We have the QR code of the support app. And at the back, we do have the specs and some features of this fitness tracker. Okay, simple packaging, compact. We have other details here. Huawei Band 9, what we have is the black color with a case, matte black, durable polymer case. If you want a metal version of the Huawei Band 11, you have to pick the other colors. Model CDYB19. We picked this one instead of the Band 11 Pro to be able to compare the changes here with the Huawei Band 10. So let's remove the sticker here. Then let's pull the box. And we have here the fitness tracker. So we have the band. Let's check first the contents. We have the charging cable, the same style with the Huawei Band 10. And of course, we have here the user manual, and the other one is the warranty card. Again, the contents of our Huawei Band 11 are the warranty card, the user manual, the fitness tracker with the strap attached, and the charging cable. Okay, next, let's check the design of the fitness tracker. Let's put it here. So we have here the band, stylish with a wide body frame here. Seems like it has a much wider body frame with the Huawei Band 10. The design is somewhat like a cross between the Huawei Band 7 and of course 9 or 10. As you can see, we do have a slightly curved body frame. PC material, we have a physical button. Rounded corner, the Huawei Band 10 do have a flat body frame, flat side. So this one, it's somewhat similar to our Huawei Band 7 here. Okay. Wider body frame, we still have a flexible silicone strap that is interchangeable. Let's see. Just press this one and guess you can pull this strap. Let's see. It's a bit hard. And that's it. Okay. Just press this one and you'll be able to remove the strap. Then to attach, let's see if we can just press it. Or, okay, arrange, and that's it. Okay, just press. So we have the sensor here. We have the black color with a semi-glossy finish here. The strap still the same. I think still the same with our Huawei Band 10. I don't know if the strap for the 10 can be attached here. We'll check it out when we have a comparison review. Again, let's have a closer look at the design here. Stylish, lightweight body frame with a physical button on the side. Okay, for the dimension, before we proceed with the specs, let's have the dimension. It says we have a 42.6 by 28.2 by 8.99 millimeter. Okay, so lightweight, slim body frame. Let's check. Don't know if we'll be able to get the exact. So we have 8.8. Okay, on this side here, 8.9. Okay, exact 8.9. The same with the dimension stated on the Huawei Band website. For the width, let's see, we have 28.1. Let's check. Okay, then on the side, we cannot measure here on the middle frame, but we do have a 42.5. Almost the same here with the dimension on the Huawei website. 42.6, 28.2 by 8.99 millimeter. So for the weight, 17 grams. As you can see here, the aluminum alloy version is beige, green, and white. We also have here a black color. So for our PC material, durable polymer materials, we have purple and black. 16 grams. Let's check. Okay, hopefully our weighing scale here do have an accurate. Without the strap, as you can see, without the strap, we will measure it with the strap attached. So we have 29.78 grams if the strap is attached. Let's see without the strap. 16.50 grams. Let's see if we do have. So we have here 16 grams without the strap for our PC material. Okay, so lightweight wearable from Huawei. Then next, let's attach the strap. Just push. Then the next one, if you have any questions, drop a comment below. So for the specifications, let's turn this on first. Do we still have battery left? Let's see. It's turning on. I guess we still have to pair it with a support app to be able to see the UI. We'll see. QR code, settings. Let's check if we can use it directly. No, we still have to pair it with the support app. Okay, remember we have here Huawei Band 11. So for the specifications, Let's go directly with the Huawei Band or Huawei website. So we have a 1.62-inch AMOLED screen with 286 by 482 pixel resolution, 347 pixel per inch, and I think it has a very good brightness. Let's see. We have 1500 nits peak brightness. So this is the watch case here and material. We have fluoroelastomer strap. The sensors are 9-axis sensor. This includes accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer. We also have optical heart rate sensor and ambient light sensor. So it has an automatic brightness for its screen. Compatible with 9.0 and above, 13.0 and above. 5 ATM waterproof rated. Bluetooth 6.0 BLE. And we have very long battery life here. Okay. We'll put on the details on the full specifications here on the side for this wearable. Next, let's have the UI. Alright, so we are already paired with the support app. We activated the fitness tracker. Again, for the screen display, we have 1.62-inch AMOLED screen. Very slim bezel here, wide screen area, and very sharp graphics. Okay, then for the UI, settings and options on top. Then on the bottom part, we have notifications. We have the schedules here and a dashboard for other popular apps. We have the widgets on the right side. Then to access the main menu, let's see, just press the power button. We also have here an option for the list. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing review of the new Huawei Band 11. Beautiful fitness tracker, lightweight, slim, with wide screen area, and comprehensive health and sports feature. On our next video, we will explore the menus and features of the Huawei Band 11. Bye!